What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of creating your roleplay Samp server. In today's episode, I'll fix some mistakes in my code that you also may have. Let's start immediately. The first mistake is for the game text for player. I forgot to add the time and the style. The time will be 3000, which is 3 seconds, and the style will be 3. The next mistake is two string compares. Just click Ctrl F and type in strcmp. The first mistake is here. I will delete these two lines and to replace this one with a quotes for farmer. Just click on the next one or enter. In this I'll just delete this none and this line and replace this line with a string none. The next mistake is that I forgot to put answering question of the player to 0 in the dialog question. So go to the dialog question, and here if the player doesn't respond, after the for loop will set the answering question of the player to 0, of the player ID to 0. Also, we need to put it below the number of question. Now we need to set the variable locked of the player to false, so we'll go on player disconnect. So here under the player info sid equals to -1, we'll just type in locked player id equals false. On player death we can respawn the player, so when the player dies he respawns on the spawn. So I'll go in the dialogues and copy this set spawn info and go back to on player death and paste it in here, so when the player dies, the player that has died respawns. Now in the dialog gender we can remove these lines, but we'll need to change the save player too. So remove those lines and go to the stock save player, and in here we'll leave all of this, but we'll change this. So the password and the skin will leave alone, the money will change to 360 and the level to 1, and this E of the email to S, because I think that is a mistake. The gender will leave alone. No, the gender, yeah, will leave alone, and the percentage of the job will set to none. Also we can change this backslash, we can put it before the get name, and when we'll need to retrieve this back, yeah, like that. We'll remove the level and the money here and the job. The order can be left as it is. In the vehicle command we'll add a new variable called vehicle and assign the value of this created vehicle, so vehicle equals to the created vehicle, and we'll just put player in vehicle, this one. The seat ID will be 0, the vehicle ID will be the vehicle, so this vehicle will put the player ID that's type in this command in the vehicle at seat 0, which is the driver's seat. And that will be everything for this episode. Make sure to leave a like and join the Discord server if you experience any issues. Goodbye and stay strong.